Hey guys, I'm here with Pierce Bang. We're gonna open a Paradox Rift. Oh my gosh.
Nigga, is that a Samsung?
It's my favorite Samsung. Here we are, lunchtime.
Hey, Marcus, the CEO of Samsung died today.
Who Samsung died today?
The CEO of Samsung died today.
Oh shit. Here we are. We're gonna throw it at Meng for good luck, and it's in his food. Oh shit. One card at the back.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh shit. Get Takeo's face in there. Oh yep. If we pull something good, we'll kiss the majestic man in front of me.
Is that dick good? Yes, kid. How good is that dick? Oh,
Oh my god. Dream so I think I need this one. I have no idea where we are. No way that's the hit, bro. I'm gonna cry. Oh, wait, wait. What do you think it is, Pierce?
A hollow.
Oh, a little EX. A little
L
EX.
pack.
L pack.
Oh, it's tough.